In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram app if it's not working properly. If Instagram isn't loading, keeps showing errors, or isn't responding as expected, follow these simple troubleshooting steps. First, completely close the Instagram app and then reopen it. A quick restart can often fix temporary glitches and loading issues. If the problem continues, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and may help Instagram connect properly. Next, check if Instagram is up to date. Open your device's App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If Instagram still isn't working, go to your device settings and find the Instagram app. Clear the app cache and storage, then reopen the app. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary data. You should also check whether you're connected to a VPN. If a VPN is active, disconnect it and try opening Instagram again, as VPN connections can sometimes interfere with app functionality. After completing these steps, launch Instagram again and see if the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.